inspection of the Citizen A32. And as you can see, here's the serial number. V is in Victor 54035, 3 of 2011. Take an overview of the machine first. Has a work tower light, port for the mist collection system, high pressure coolant, fire extinguishing system, parts conveyor. We just got done completing a full spindle rebuild on the bearings in this machine. And we are running in the bearings as we speak. This is the fire tray system. The CB510, high pressure coolant, the LNS bar feed, chip conveyor, the inside of the machine. Get the 4-position end working with the extension block for the 5th. Turning tools. Live tooling. Sub-spindle, live backworking, parts ejector or parts catcher, main spindle, back of the guide bushing. And we do have the guide bushing nut. CNC controller. And as you can see, it's extremely clean. And inside the back of the main spindle housing. Okay, we're going to run through the machine and we'll start in the headstock. And what we're going to do is we're going to run the RPMs, and currently we're running at 1000 RPM, and I'm about 2 inches away from the spindle itself, maybe 3 inches, and you can barely hear this spindle running. And as you can see, also the guide bushing is synchronous and it is running at the same RPM. Okay, we're going to go up to 2000. This is at 2000. And I am again at 3 inches away from the spindle. And you can barely see at this point, you can even barely see the movement on the rotary guide bushing. And now we're going to go to 4000 RPM. And again, I am 3 inches away from the spindle. Extremely quiet, as it should be. And at 5000 RPM, which will be the max we'll run it at right now, we haven't fully run the bearings in, so we want to make sure that we do that properly, or the way that Citizen has explained to do it. Okay. At this point, we're just going to jog the Z-axis. And as you can see, we're just moving the Z-axis back and forth without a program, and we're doing that manually. The ways are getting extremely well lubed. As you can see, they're glistening with the oils. And they're very clean. I'll even move the light a little bit over. Can you unhook that for me? And as you can see the oil on the ways, on both sides, and the oil down on the base. Okay? And we're going to go to what? So we're going to go to the sub spindle, Z2. And we're first going to run this at 1,000, at 5,000 RPM. This 500? Okay, we're going to run this at 500 RPM. Okay, we're rotating at 500 RPM. Okay, so this is what we're part of the rotation is that we'll go up in the RPMs as the spindle gets warm, and we're going to move over to the live tools or the live tools. We're going to go to the overhead live tools, so we'll go to the live tools here, and I'll zoom in for you. And that's at what? 500. And you go up. I'm about 5 inches away from the spindles. That's at 1,000. And we'll go up to 4,000 here. No? 3. What's it at now? That's 3,000 RPMs. It didn't go higher, but this is where we're going to look at it. And then we're going to go to the backworking. Running that at what? 1,000 RPM, and I'm about maybe 2 inches away. This is at 3,000 RPM. Again, I'm still about 2 inches away. 3,500. We're going to go see if we can get this to go at 3,500 just to make sure that we're showing you the RPM changes. That's at 3,500. And you can see there's one fixed position at the end, and then 4 fixed or live throughout. Okay, you want to move the Z's and the light. Just to show you movement here. So it's against slow processors who are using the hand crank or the MPG unit. And you see we're going up and down very closely, quiet. It's extremely quiet and easy to move. Good oilers going on here. Pardon me?
Back and forth, sir.
Yeah, back and forth, sure. And as you can barely see, we're moving it, but it's going in tenths or in thousandths. But we are moving it. We are plumbed for high pressure and high volume coolant. And the high pressure line's coming in the back. And we're looking at Z2 movement back and forth in the Y. Okay, and also in the Z. I wish we had a program in here to show you more, but we don't. Okay. I'll close the doors all up so you can see them. We've currently disconnected the door interlocks, but we'll reconnect them before it leaves. This is the inside of the machine from the back. You can see part of the ejector system for the sub-spindle. Very clean machine. Fire suppression line, the red line. And that concludes the inspection of the Citizen A32 after the spindle bearing work has been done by Citizen.